children. Today we will learn our new lesson on the way to school. Before I start the lesson, I ask some question to you. So tell me, have you come to school? How you come to school? Yes, by walk, by vehicle, by auto rickshaw and by van. Okay, now tell me, do you like come to school? Yes, you all are clever students and you all are like to come to school. Okay, now I ask one another question. What do you see on the way? What do you see on the way whenever you come to school? You can see many shop, society, mall and many more things, right? So, in this lesson, we will learn about one boy is here. His name is Peter, and how he went to school we will learn. So, please open your term book and see on page number 37, lesson number 6. Before I start the lesson, first I tell the meaning of some new words. First one is minutes. M-I-N-U-T-E-S, minutes. You have to speak with me, minutes. Minutes means period of time of 60 seconds. Period of time of 60 seconds. Unhappily. U-N-H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, unhappily. Unhappily means sad. Third one is deodor. D-E-O-D-A-R, deodor. Deodor is one type of tree. And here deodor is a tree name. Next one, M-I-N-I-S-T-R, minister. Here minister is defined as a house name. Meowling, M-E-W-L-I-N-G, meowling. Meowling is a sound of cat. B-O-R-R-O-W-S, borrows. Borrows means to take something from somebody. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Hungry means want to eat. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R-S, remembers. Remember means do not forget anything. Now we will learn our lesson number 6, on the way to school. Please concentrate in your term book, page number 37. Now first I read the paragraph. It is raining today. Peter doesn't want to go to school. One boy is here. His name is Peter, and he does not want to go to school. Why? Because on that day rain falling. He lives in Sisters Bazaar. It takes 20 minutes to reach school from there. Peter lives in Sisters Bazaar. Where does Peter live? Peter lives in Sisters Bazaar. And how much time is taken to reach school from there? It takes 20 minutes to reach school from there. The mountain road is full of blue mist. Here, meaning of mist is thin fog. The horses are looking sad. They are all very wet. You can see here the horse is looking very sad. Why? Because they all are very wet. The heap of rubbish near the clock tower smells very bad. Here you can see picture of rubbish. The heap of rubbish near the clock tower smells very bad. Heap of rubbish means collection of waste and it smells very bad. Peter's father is a carpenter. He has a shop at Landor Bazaar. Peter's father gets angry at little things. What is the business of Peter's father? Peter's father is a carpenter. Do you see carpenter? He is a carpenter. And tell me, where does Peter's father shop? Peter's father shop at the Landor Bazaar. Peter's father gets angry at little. Now, please concentrate on our next page 38. He is upset because Peter does not want to go to school. Here, he is used for Peter's father. Peter's father is upset because Peter does not want to go to school. Peter is very scared. What is the spelling of scared? S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. And the meaning of scared is afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Peter is very afraid of his father. Why? Why Peter is very scared from his father? Because his father gets angry on little things. Peter walks down to school unhappily. Peter goes to school unhappily. Peter is not happy whenever he goes to school. He takes a shortcut from behind the minister's house. The old deodar tree hangs low on the road. Its leaves are wet. Here, deodar is a tree name. Let's revise the spelling of deodar. D-E-O-D-A-R, deodar. Deodar is a tree name. Its leaves are wet. They smell good. Here we can see difference between good smell and bad smell. The bad smell was the heap of rubbish and the good smell of deodar tree leaves. Suddenly, Peter hears the meowing of a kitten. Suddenly, what does Peter hear? Peter hears meowing of a kitten. Meowing means the cat sound and kitten means the baby of cat, the young ones of cat. He stops to find the kitten. It is a brown little kitten. At that time, he finds the small baby of cat, the young ones of cat, kitten. What is the color of little kitten? It is a brown color of little kitten. Peter picks it up and cuddles it. Peter picks the little kitten, and cuddle means to take once into arms. He takes it to char dukan and borrows some milk. He takes kitten to char dukan. What is the dukan name? What is the shop name? Char dukan. And borrows, B-O-R-R-O-W-S. What is the meaning of borrows? To take something from somebody. What he borrows from char dukan? He borrows some milk for little kitten. The kitten hungrily sips all the milk. Then it lets out a cry of happiness. The kitten sips all the milk. Then the kitten don't cry. Kitten is happy now. Peter play with the kitten. Who does play with the kitten? Peter plays with the kitten. The kitten licks him. He wants to call it Monty. Peter wants to call the kitten Monty. Peter keeps the name of kitten Monty. Then the rain stops. Peter feels very hungry. At that time, rain stops and Peter feels very hungry. But he is too scared of his father to go back home. He is very hungry, but he is afraid from his father to go back home. He walks up to Prakash stores and looks for chocolate. He walks up to which store? Prakash store, and looks for the chocolate. Why? Because he is very hungry. He thinks that his father will be very angry if he borrows chocolates from the store. He already afraid from his father. Why? Because his father is very angry. Whenever he borrows the chocolate from the store, then he remembers his mother. Then Peter remembers his mother. Thank you, students. The next part of this lesson we will learn in next video.